Imagine yourself in this 2003 Ford Focus SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include keyless entry, power windows, CD player, rear bench seat, passenger airbag, 4-cylinder engine, emergency trunk release, rear defrost, and AT. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.